Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet bed cover designs model. Let's start the video. Here are some tips for crocheting a bed cover. Plan for variation. Be prepared for slight variations in tension or stitch size, especially if you are working a large project. These variations can add character to your bed cover, so embrace them rather than striving for absolute uniformity. Organize your supplies. Keep your yarn, hooks, and other supplies organized and easily accessible. This will save time and frustration as you work on your bed cover. Test color combinations. If you are using multiple colors in your design, test different color combinations beforehand to see how they look together. This will help you achieve the desired aesthetic for your bed cover. Consider the season. Choose yarn weight and textures that are appropriate for the season in which you will be using the bed cover. Lightweight cotton or bamboo yarns are ideal for warmer weather, while heavier yarns like wool are better suited for colder climates. Customize sizing. Adjust the size of your bed cover to fit your specific needs. You can easily modify the dimensions by adding or subtracting rows or motifs to achieve the desired size. Document your progress. Take photos of your work at various stages of completion to track your progress and see how far you have come. It is a great way to stay motivated and appreciate your hard work. Seek inspiration. Look for inspiration from other crocheters, craft blogs, and social media platforms like YouTube. You may discover new techniques or design ideas that enhance your bed cover project. Practice patterns. Crocheting a bed cover is a time-consuming endeavor, so practice patterns and perseverance. Enjoy the journey of creating something beautiful with your own hands. Consider lining. Depending on the yarn you use and the intended use of the bed cover, you may want to consider adding a fabric lining to increase durability, stability, and comfort. Share your progress. Share your work in progress photos with friends, family, or online communities for feedback and encouragement. It is always rewarding to connect with others who share your passion for crochet. Crochet bed cover designs vary widely depending on personal preference, skill level, and desired aesthetic. Some popular designs include granny square patterns, intricate like motifs, geometric shapes, floral motifs, and textured stitches like popcorn or shell stitches. You can find inspiration and patterns online or in crochet magazines and books to create a unique bed cover that suits your style and decor. Here are some extra tips for creating a crochet bed cover. Choose the right yarn. Select a yarn that is durable and easy to care for, as bed covers often need to withstand regular use and washing. Cotton, acrylic, or a blend of both are good choices. Gauge swatch. Make a gauge swatch to ensure your tension matches the pattern requirements. This helps ensure that your bed cover will turn out the correct size. Plan your design. Decide on the size and style of your bed cover before starting. Consider the dimension of your bed and any design elements you want to incorporate, such as motifs or stitch patterns. Use quality tools. Invest in high quality crochet hooks and other tools to make your crocheting experience more enjoyable and efficient. Break it down. Break down the project into manageable selections or rows to prevent feeling overwhelmed, especially if it is a large bed cover. Block your work. Blocking helps to even out the stitches and give your bed cover a more polished look. Follow the blocking instructions for your chosen yarn type. Add personal touches. Consider adding personal touches like color variations, custom motifs, or monograms to make your bed cover unique and special. Take breaks. Crocheting a bed cover can be time consuming, so remember to take breaks to prevent hand fatigue and maintain your enjoyment of the project. Joining techniques. If your bed cover is made of multiple pieces, learn different joining techniques to seamlessly connect them together. Enjoy the process. Crocheting a bed cover is a labor of love. So, enjoy the process and celebrate each milestone as you progress toward completing your beautiful creation. Crocheting a bed cover is a labor-intensive project that requires time, patience, and dedication. Enjoy the journey of creating something beautiful with your own hands and celebrate each milestone along the way. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.